Hello there, and today I'm going to show you when my dad and I changed a chandelier. So the first step is removing the old chandelier. I've changed out several chandeliers and light fixtures before. It's very easy to do. You just unscrew, unwind, and then kind of match the cords together. But my dad, he has always been a builder maker DIYer, and so when he saw me doing this, he really wanted to do it himself as well. He's getting up there in age, so we try not to let him do as much stuff anymore, but he was really excited to not only see his daughter doing things my own or on my own, so he was really excited to take part of it and just watch me learn as I go. But as you can tell, there were several instances where he's like, Chrissy, no, let me do it. So that's why you see him on the ladder a lot of the times and not me. After finally getting the length that we needed and all the wires connected together, it was just a matter of holding up the light fixture so that he could screw everything together back up onto the ceiling, which was a lot harder than I thought, so I'm glad that my dad was there to actually help me out. Just a little tip, if you are using dimmers on your lights, then make sure you get dimmer light bulbs because they'll flicker if they're not at 100%.
This one?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh my God, it's nice.
Ah, we did it!
Oh, you didn't time up good.
I know, it's a little flickery.
It's okay now. Okay. You didn't bring the water.
And this is the finished result, after it was staged, of course. I think we did a good job. Thanks, Dad. Happy Father's Day. I love you. And for all you other lovely people, don't forget to hit subscribe and to check out my other videos right there on the right-hand side. Thanks. Bye.